Assalamu alaikum, Huzoor.
Islam.
Medical officer in charge, Ahmadiyya Muslim Hospital, Daboase.
Are you doctor?
Yes, please.
MashaAllah. Quite confident doctor.
Very. Yes.
In Daboase?
Yeah, in Daboase, Huzoor side. I'm a specialist in, I take care of females, so obstetrics and gynecology.
Gynecology?
Yes, please.
Achha, you are a gynecologist. So how many doctors you are there?
Currently, we have 2 doctors. I'm the, for the Nisra Jahan, I'm the only Waqf Zindagi. The other one is from the Ministry of Health. He is senior specialist in general surgery.
General surgery.
But I also have lots of surgeons who come from the teaching hospitals in Kolebu and then Kofanochi Teaching Hospital to come and work.
So there are quite a number of visiting surgeons and doctors.
Yes, please. I have about 8 of them. And we also train those who are specializing in certain fields like general surgery and then the gynecology as well. So they come from the teaching hospitals to come and spend 3 months in the hospital.
How many departments do you have in the hospital?
We have about 8 departments. We have
departments?
8.
Departments, gynecology and
general surgery, internal medicine, dental unit,
peds department,
pediatrics, NICU, neonatal intensive care unit.
And do you have dental surgeon there?
Yes, we have a we don't have a dental doctor, but we have a dental nurse, and I invite a locum dental doctor to come in every week.
Anyway, the nurse can easily extract the tooth.
Yes, please. Yes.
Even you can do it with plier. No problem.